Please keep silent. If you cannot keep quiet, you move out quietly. Ssegirinya, which language do you speak? English. So the charge will be read to you in the English language.
Your age 35 years, a Muganda by tribe, a road councillor and resident of Sowa Chebando Parish. This is in Kumuyambye Division, Kampala District. The charge against you is that one of inciting violence, according to section 38, according to section 83(1) of the Penal Code Act. This is the Kumuyambye Division in Kampala District. The charge is alleged that you, Ssegirinya Muhammad, and others still at large, on 22nd day of March 2021 at Minipulais, this is in the Kampala District, that you did an act calculated to incite violence against other persons by holding free Nubian Lee, free Edimutre, by reasons for their political opinions. That's the charge against you. Have you understood the charge?
So since Ssegirinya, you deny the court that you have denied the charge, so a plea of not guilty is entered against you. I can appear. April 2021. The accused's bail application will also be heard then, and for now the accused is remanded.